open this? It's from Lucy.
Tu peux dire Lucy? Oui.
You want to open it? Come on. You're going to love it. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Do you know what this is? It's a stroller for a doll. Yeah. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Mama, wait for Mommy to get it open. There. Oh my goodness. But I think you need to open this too, sweetie. Oh wow. Hey Bear, I think you're going to need to open this present too. Yeah. He loves it. Open this. I think there might be something else to go with it.
Il y a un autre cadeau là.
He loves it.
Skylar.
He's so funny. Hi. Hi. You want to open this now? Ooh. Look. I think you might want to open this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Open that up. Let's sit on Mama's lap. Oh my goodness. Whoa. It's a doll. It's a baby. Should we open the baby? Oh, she's nailed
Secured.
down like everybody else. Jeez. You can put your baby in the stroller. You want to put the baby in the stroller? Yeah. Okay. Let Mama get her out. If I can. Yeah, let's just...